Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Moments. Today, we will learn how to ask for the time in English. This is so useful if you are in the USA, just walking around and you need help. Woo, you're really going to do great by practicing with me. Imagine you are on a busy street in New York City. You left your phone at home. Oops. Now you need to know the time, but you feel a bit shy talking to someone. What should you say? Let's try it together so you can feel strong and ready. Let's start with a very easy phrase. Excuse me, what time is it? Say that softly with a friendly smile. Yeah, so simple. Try saying it out loud. Excuse me, what time is it? See? Already sounds good. If you want to be more polite, you can add, could you tell me the time, please? Try it with me now. Feels nice, right? Could you tell me the time, please? Oh, you sound great. When someone answers, you might hear, it's 3 o'clock. But sometimes we don't understand, or it's too fast. Don't worry. You can say, could you say that again? Or, can you repeat that, please? Yeah, just ask. Everyone is happy to help. So imagine you try at the grocery store. You smile and say, excuse me, what time is it? The cashier looks at the watch and says, it's 5:15. You can reply, thank you, and maybe even hear, no problem. Such a friendly moment. Or if you miss it, just say, can you repeat that, please? And they'll say it again. If you're at the park, walking your dog, and see someone, you can use the same phrase. Oh, it feels so good when people answer and you understand. And guess what? With every practice you do, you get better and stronger. Yay! Don't be shy. Sometimes starting a small conversation is all you need to build confidence. Have you tried asking for the time before in English? If you feel nervous, just remember these simple sentences. Use them at the bus stop, at school, even in a restaurant. People in the USA love to help, so you're safe to ask anytime. Oh, I am so proud of you for practicing. Laugh, smile, enjoy every mistake you make. Whoops! Mistakes are good. They help you grow. Let's take a small break here. Next, we'll learn magic words to keep the conversation going and sound even more natural. Woo! You are really improving. See you very soon in part 2. Oh, can't wait.
Let's jump right back in. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go! Sometimes people give you more information when you ask the time. Oh, maybe they say, it's 10 after 3, or it's quarter to 4. That sounds new. Don't worry, I'm here to help you understand. So, if you hear it's 10 after 3, that means it's 3:10. Easy, right? Ha! See? It's quarter to 4 means it's 3:45. Quarter means 15 minutes. Yeah, now you know something new. If you want to check if you heard it right, you can say, is it 3:10? Or did you say 3:45? This makes the conversation friendly and you will learn even faster. Oops, sometimes we make mistakes with numbers. Everybody does. Just laugh and try again. Haha, it's totally fine. When learning, don't be afraid to ask for help. Can you write it down? Is a simple way to see the time on paper or a phone. People in America often show their watch or phone. So helpful. Practice little by little every day. Maybe talking to your mirror. Excuse me, what time is it? Change your voice. Be shy, be brave, laugh at yourself. Wow, you have many ways to practice. You can also make new friends by asking about the time. After you say thank you, try this. How's your day going? Now it's not just a question, it's the start of a happy chat. Most people will smile and answer you. Sometimes you'll hear, I'm good, thanks. How about you? You can say, I'm good too, thanks. Haha, see how easy it is? Let's talk about other easy words you might hear. Sometimes people say, it's noon, that's 12 o'clock in the daytime, or it's midnight, that's 12 o'clock in the night. If it's morning, you might hear, it's 8 in the morning. If it's night, it's 7 at night. Wow! Now you know time, day, and night. Next time you hear these, you'll feel smart and confident. Oops, you might forget once in a while. Don't worry, every expert started as a beginner. All right, let's do a quick practice together. Imagine you are outside a coffee shop and your friend is waiting for you. You ask a stranger, "Excuse me, what time is it?" They look at their phone and reply, "It's 11:30. You say, "Thanks a lot," and run inside. Yay, you did it! Little steps, big results. You should be proud. Your journey is amazing. Every day your English will sound better and better. Laugh, make oops moments, and always try again. I know you can do it, so keep practicing. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell me your English time asking story in the comments. Wow, you are awesome! See you next time. Bye for now.